How automatic gearboxes work. Ever wondered how your car magically knows when to shift gears? It's all thanks to this incredible piece of engineering, the automatic gearbox. Let's dive in and uncover the secrets behind this automotive wizardry. At the heart of an automatic gearbox is the torque converter. It's like a fluid-filled clutch that smoothly transfers power from the engine to the transmission. No more stalling. Next up, we have the planetary gear sets. Imagine tiny, interconnected gears working together to create different gear ratios. These little guys are the backbone of the gearbox. Now, how do we control these gears? Enter the hydraulic system. Fluid pressure activates clutches and bands, engaging and disengaging the right gear sets at the perfect time. But who's the mastermind behind this gear-shifting symphony? The electronic control unit, or ECU. It's constantly monitoring your car's speed, engine load, and other factors to determine the best gear for the situation. So, there you have it. Automatic gearboxes are complex but brilliant systems that make driving a breeze. From the torque converter to the ECU, every component plays a vital role. Types of automatic gearboxes. There are several types of automatic gearboxes, each with its own characteristics and advantages. Here's a breakdown. Traditional automatic gearbox torque converter, asterisk, uses a torque converter to transfer power from the engine to the transmission. Asterisk offers smooth shifts but can be less fuel efficient compared to newer technologies. Dual clutch transmission DCT, asterisk, employs two clutches to manage odd and even gears simultaneously. Asterisk provides rapid and smooth shifts, often feeling like a manual gearbox but without the clutch pedal. Asterisk generally offers better fuel efficiency and performance than traditional automatics. Continuously variable transmission CVT, asterisk, uses a belt and pulleys to provide a continuous range of gear ratios. Asterisk known for smooth acceleration but can sometimes produce a rubber band effect. Asterisk generally offers good fuel efficiency. Automated manual transmission AMT, asterisk, essentially a manual gearbox with a computer-controlled clutch and actuator for shifting. Asterisk more affordable than other automatic options but often has slower and less smooth shifts compared to DCT or CVT. Intelligent manual transmission IMT, asterisk, a newer technology that combines elements of manual and automatic transmissions. Asterisk uses a clutch actuator but retains the manual gear lever. Asterisk offers fuel efficiency benefits and a more engaging driving experience. Electric vehicle gearbox, asterisk simpler than traditional gearboxes due to the nature of electric motors. Asterisk often has a single fixed gear ratio or a limited number of gears. Want to know more about car tech? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos. And don't forget to like, comment, and share.